What is it?
I saw an excavator that looks like a bulldozer.
Where is it? Oh, that one. It looks like a bulldozer. Wow. So what is it doing?
Putting the rocks aside.
Putting the rocks aside.
Yes.
So big rocks.
Yes.
Oh, the rocks are so big. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow.
It's so powerful. Look at that again. Look. It's strong. Wow. You see? Oh. It's so strong.
It's going to hit our car.
Is it going to our car?
Yes.
Are we safe?
No. Yes.
So we should run to our car?
Yes. So we need to drive.
Okay.